Foxy, we are going to play a game. Oh, you're bored. Right, so we have brought this for her from Shein. Got, well, it's just carrots coming out of the top. And basically you're meant to put like treats inside of it. So my mum put some treats inside of it, but it's not that good. I don't know if we've got a faulty one. But the treats have all fell down here. Foxy, what do we think of this? As you can clearly see, she just wants the carrots. But anyway, she likes it to play around with the carrots. Yeah, kid, what are we rating it? Okay, she's already took a carrot. What we're rating this out of? As you can clearly see, she's very happy. So, what we're voting this out of, eh? Well, what we're voting this out of because the dog's stunned.
It's not very good at all.
No, I don't think that either. I love Shein stuff, but this is not it. It's Foxy. Guys, if you hear chicken noises, it's actually Fortnite. We don't have chickens in the front room, that's why. So guys, we got this from Shein. As you can tell, she really likes this one. Because we got more of a reaction out of her. Rating this one out of?
That's a 9.
You say 9? I'd say it's a good rating as well. And we've got a reaction out of Foxy, so she must love it.
It would have got a 10, but it hasn't got a squeaker.
Is it not? Oh, so guys, if you want this, it doesn't actually have a squeaker. So that's good to know as well. So yeah. So these are the two that we got from Shein. I will probably put the links in the description. And Foxy, do you want to say bye? And that's Foxy's bye. Bye guys. Guys, the toy's now 10 out of 10. Get it then. Come on. Get it. Get it. No, you get it, not me. Get it. Come on. Get it. Look. Get it. Get it. Get in. Guess that's one way to get it out. You now just tipped it upside down there. Get in. Come on. Oh, I've just pulled it. Why am I calling my dog a carrot? Is it meant to hold in there? Foxy, can you please tell me? Because I actually don't know.